All right, let's get into another game here, guys. Another game of 9-ball. Here we go. I'm lucky here. I'm breaking. So as usual, I'm going to do my forward English, kind of bang those balls into the rest of the other balls. Okay, if I just so you guys know, if I sink the 9-ball on the break, I automatically win. Just so you guys know that. And I've done that in this virtual game and in real life. Only twice in my life have I done that. All right, so let's get to the game. So what's he going to do? He's going to go corner, probably going to do a bank, or he's going to try to go straight. No, he makes it. Nice shot. So I guess I'm dealing with someone that knows how to play, because I would have thought that 7-ball was in the way. So he's got a chance to end this game here by sinking this 9-ball, but I doubt very much he's going to be able to do it. It seems very difficult. So he's really thinking about what he wants to do. Okay, he's made a commitment. Well, let's see what he's going to do. He's going to do a combo, or is he going to go straight for the 9? Okay, so I get ball in hand here. All right, so let's see. I think I'm going to go up this way. Yep, sneak it right in between there like that. 3. Let's see. Okay. Like I said, it doesn't matter. I can sink all these balls and then lose. That has happened to me. I sink all the balls and then the guy sinks the 9-ball and he wins. So it doesn't matter what I'm doing now. But if I run the table, then it's a whole different ball game, right? I got no other choice but to try and do a combo here. Yep, I'm just as shocked as you guys. But then I go and I sink the cue. See, if I put in a little English, it probably would have not found its way into that cue. And so let's see now if he could run the table with just 3 balls on the table and win this thing. This is live, by the way, live commentary, guys. I usually do a voiceover of what I thought happened in the past, but this time I'm doing a live. So let me tell you what I'm thinking here. I'm thinking he's not going to be able to sink this ball because he's got a cut that he's got a slice, that he's got to put on this ball. Let's see if we can do it. I don't think he can do it. I think it's too much of a slice, but he'll move that ball around for me and maybe I can come and win this thing. See how the ball's pointing too close to the rim? He's not going to make it. And he sinks, so he really doesn't make it. And of course, this is going to be easy for me. So now I'm going to put English to ensure the ball doesn't go into the pocket. And there you go, guys. I won. Be sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you for joining us. Bye now.
Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. 'Cause subscribe